What if the most powerful AI company in the world isn't OpenAI, but the company selling the tools behind it? While the world talks about chatbots and artificial intelligence software, Nvidia quietly became the engine powering the entire AI revolution. This is the rise of Nvidia. This is Capital Blueprint. In 1993, three engineers met at a Denny's in San Jose. Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Priam had a vision for the future of computing. They wanted to bring realistic 3D graphics to the world of gaming. At the time, they were just three men with $40,000 and a dream. The early years were brutal. Their first product, the NV1, was a commercial failure, but they learned, pivoted, and obsessed over performance. In 1999, they changed the industry forever with the GeForce 256. They didn't just build a graphics card, they invented the GPU. That same year, Nvidia went public. It was no longer a startup. It was the gold standard for high-performance graphics. But Jensen Huang was looking further ahead. In 2007, Nvidia invested over $1 billion to create CUDA, a bet that would change everything. CUDA turned the GPU from a gaming component into a versatile supercomputer. It allowed software to leverage massive parallel processing for general-purpose computing. The turning point came in 2012. Researchers used Nvidia GPUs to power AlexNet, a neural network that shattered image recognition records. AI had arrived. Suddenly, the architecture designed for video games was the only thing capable of training the massive neural networks of the modern world. Then came the explosion. Large language models like GPT, autonomous vehicles, and enterprise AI. All of it required one critical resource: raw computing power. The H100 became the most sought-after asset on Earth. 80 billion transistors, specialized transformer engines. It was the heart of the revolution. Nvidia didn't just control the market, they controlled the supply. In 2023, demand exploded so fast that companies were fighting just for priority. Nvidia wasn't just participating in the AI race, they were selling the pickaxes during the greatest gold rush in technological history. There was a brief detour. The crypto boom created a surge in demand for mining hardware. But when the crypto market shifted, Nvidia didn't blink. They pivoted instantly back to their core mission: AI infrastructure. The market capacity was absorbed by an industry hungry for more power. But hardware is only half the story. CUDA is Nvidia's proprietary software platform. It's a moat. Once developers build on it, switching becomes nearly impossible. Hardware, software, and developer tools. This ecosystem creates a lock-in that allows Nvidia to maintain premium pricing while rivals struggle to catch up. The result was financial dominance. Revenue soared. Profit margins expanded. Market capitalization crossed the trillion-dollar mark in record time. Rivals like AMD and Intel are racing to close the gap. Even cloud giants are building their own chips. But Nvidia's lead in software and infrastructure is vast. Jensen Huang sees a future of AI factories. High-performance systems that don't just process data, but manufacture intelligence and revenue. The roadmap is relentless. From Hopper to Blackwell, and soon to Rubin in 2025. Each leap pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Nvidia teaches three strategic lessons. First, build foundational technology. Don't just build the app, build the platform it runs on. Second, control the ecosystem. Hardware is a commodity, software is a moat. Create a world where developers can't afford to leave. Third, position yourself at the center of exponential growth. While others built AI applications, Nvidia built the engine that powers them all. In every technological revolution, the engine becomes the most valuable asset. Nvidia did not just chase the AI revolution, it enabled it. This dominance was not pure luck. It was architecture meeting opportunity. A decade of relentless execution and strategic foresight. This is more than a success story. It is a blueprint for building a modern empire. This is Capital Blueprint. Subscribe if you want to understand how the empires of the future are being built today.